Hello everyone, this is a follow-up video about this 8.8 GHz VNA that I've bought from a Russian manufacturer. I'll say some words in Portuguese first for my Brazilian audience. Pessoal, esses vídeos que eu estou fazendo para responder comentário do vídeo que eu fiz em inglês, eu vou ter que fazer em inglês também, tá? Mas não se preocupem que tá vindo um vídeo português aí, bem legal, sobre IoT, que vocês vão gostar bastante, pessoal do público do Brasil, beleza? Okay, so back to English. So Adam noticed this positive S11 that was happening in my last measurement of the previous video of this Wi-Fi antenna. So positive S11, you know, not expected for a VNA measuring a passive device like this. So I investigated, I discovered it was the cable. Happily, it was not the VNA. I'm going to show you. And happily, it was not the cal kit too. At first, I answered to Adam that I suspected that it was the cal kit. I was pretty confident that my cables were okay, but now I have just to buy new ones. So let me show you the calibration using this kit, and that at the port of the VNA to eliminate any issues with accessories, and it works. Okay, so I'll show you that it works. Let's do an open short load calibration. So first the open. I'm with the software here already connected, so hit the open button. The span is the same, right? From 1 MHz to 8.8 GHz. Okay, it's the same span. So I put it to be the same just to, you know, try to repeat as close as possible. Only removing the cable. So now the short. Right, let's get here, short button, there you go, we have a short, and finally let me get the load. Alright, so we have a load connected. Let us hit the load calibration button, and we've got our 50 ohm. Okay, now let's put the antenna. Okay. So here we are. You see that the S11 is no longer positive. It is okay, and the frequency here of the antenna, it's 2.3 gigahertz, because this antenna was not bought new, right? This is a used antenna, so you can see that the S11 is no longer positive. Right, so the problem was not the VNA. The problem was actually my cable that I was using. So I'll make sure to get new cables for next experiments to eliminate any issues with accessories. So sometimes in RF you need to get you need to trace when your accessories are damaged, right? So thank you, Adam, again for noticing this. You actually helped me out discovering that the cable was damaged, and there you go. Here is the VNA is working just fine. There are no problems related to positive S11s measuring passive devices. Okay, so if you have any more experiments that you want me to test on this device, please let me know in the comments below. Hit a thumbs up if you liked, and share with your friends. Thank you.